with you, kid. That's what you gonna do with a newborn baby on the way. Set the house on fire. That bitch is dumb. Look how dumb the bitch is. This must be your first time trying to set some shit on fire, huh? You're supposed to put it in the bathtub so you don't burn up in the fire. How stupid can a bitch be? Bitch, a kid herself. You leave her by herself too long, she just start fucking shit up. Ash everywhere. Bitch like a 6-year-old. You leave a 6-year-old by herself, you gonna come home, your shit gonna be cut up, burnt up, broken up. Door gonna be broken. The bitch is strange, kid. Don't understand it. House smell like fire and smoke. I don't think you inhaling all this smoke and ash is good for your child. Got to be smarter than that. Look everywhere. Nigga trying to get the new glass stairs upgrade. This hoe in here set shit on fire. The bitch tried to turn the smoke detector off. The bitch hopped on the table to turn the smoke detector off. Man, child protective custody gonna have a ball with you. I must say, you making this very too much easily. When you have a kid and you set a fire anywhere in the child's facility, can't teach this kind of shit, Kev. This shit. The bitch unplugged the Wi-Fi thinking the smoke detector was gonna turn off. Oh my God. Bitch, you unplugged the Wi-Fi, Kev?